Strawberry is a fruit belonging to the Rosaceae family and is typically grown in spring. It is known for its beautiful red color, sweet taste, and rich composition of important vitamins and minerals. Strawberries are rich in potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, folate, iron, and fiber, all of which contribute to human health. The plant prefers a moderately rainy and warm climate. Strawberries are commonly consumed both on their own and in salads and desserts. With its antioxidant properties, strawberries protect the body and slow down the aging process. Strawberries are highly beneficial for the cardiovascular system due to their richness in potassium and magnesium. They improve heart function, strengthen blood vessels, and lower bad cholesterol levels. Strawberries are also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for normal bodily functions. Additionally, vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, slowing down aging processes and rejuvenating the body. According to saglamolan.as, strawberries, being rich in folate, iron, and manganese, improve blood composition and are beneficial during anemia. Strawberries are a natural antidepressant. The aroma and taste of these berries enhance mood, reduce stress, and uplift spirits. Known worldwide as a powerful aphrodisiac, strawberries increase sexual desire. Despite these numerous benefits, strawberries can be quite dangerous. They often lead to poisoning and allergies. Rapidly grown strawberries out of their natural season can be harmful. To accelerate growth, producers use various harmful substances such as nitrates and hormones, which can seriously impact health. During cultivation abroad, genetic engineering techniques are often employed, introducing genes from other plants, even fish, into the strawberry's genetic makeup. Therefore, consuming imported strawberries that remain fresh for months poses a particular risk. Strawberries spoil quickly. Discard any berries showing signs of spoilage immediately, as consuming spoiled strawberries can lead to severe poisoning. When selecting strawberries, prefer traditional varieties, buy local produce, and consume strawberries only during their natural season. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.